And as I log in, we are going to, oh, guys, I have received my Bitcoins. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olive Nkiriote and this is Olive Nkiriote Rebranded. Finally, we have reached to the point where I believe, if not most or some of you watched the first video and you were like, we are now waiting for this one, we want to buy a Bitcoin. Olive, just take us to the end. Kindly catch up with all those videos that we have been putting up from the series. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited, if you're ready to buy your first Bitcoin. If it's your first time buying a Bitcoin, comment down below how excited you are, and even share with us if you already have cryptocurrency, how it has been investing in it as well. So without further ado, let's get into this video. We are buying our first Bitcoin. Set up your ProtonMail email. Never use the same email. Right now I'm going to show you guys how to set up your ProtonMail. So in case you do not know about ProtonMail, it's a very secure email. It is also encrypted and it's from Switzerland as well. So as you guys can see, it's an end-to-end encrypted email service. Proton really safe. ProtonMail purports to be so secure that no one but you can access your email. They even make it explicit that ProtonMail could not read your messages if it wanted to. Which email is safest? ProtonMail is the top most rated secure email provider right now. It not only provides secure email messaging service, but also gives users the ability for quick setup and ensures that the user stays safe from email scammers. Open an email account on ProtonMail. So as you guys can see, this is how it looks, and we're gonna say sign up so that I show you guys how to do it. So since now you have your email check, you have your two-factor authenticator app in check. As from your ProtonMail account, like where we are, queenmamasit@protonmail.com, just go to security, and after security, enable two-factor authentication. Why? Because we want our account more secure. So you have to read the 2FA guide, and I've read them before, and I'm going to agree and click next. And then they're going to ask you to scan this QR code with your two-factor authentication device to set up your account. So at this place, you can either do it with Google Authenticator or with Authy. You come to your 2FA, you can either choose Authy or Authenticator, but I prefer Authy. You can just add an account. So you add an account and you're going to scan the QR code. As you guys can see, here we are scanning the QR code, and I'm going to scan this QR code onto the screen on my laptop. So and just like that, it is shown. My account nickname is queenmamasit@protonmail.com. I'll come here. Please make sure you save these recovery codes, otherwise you can permanently lose access to your account if you lose your 2FA device. So you can easily just download this and save it on your notepad, but you will also just write them on your notebook. That's pretty much it. You have successfully enabled two-factor authentication. Our first stop will be local Bitcoins. Local Bitcoins supports either M-Pesa, PayPal. It supports the day-to-day methods of transactions we do, or rather that we have locally in Kenya. At the moment right now, I want to show you my top 3 favorite exchange platforms. One of them is localbitcoins.com. This is the one I use. They are located in Helsinki in Finland, and they are pretty much my favorite because their rates are usually affordable. I know it looks expensive, but they're affordable. Another one that I know but I've never used is Paxful. Paxful as well, you can use it to buy your bitcoins, and you can see here buy bitcoin with any payment method: M-Pesa, bank transfer, MTN, PayPal, Western Union, Chipper Cash. Also another one known as localcryptos.com. They mostly do Ethereum. At the moment market price is 23,000, which is affordable. This is for Ethereum, so maybe if you save Bitcoin, you want to buy Bitcoin instead, so you can buy. This is 1.04. He's cheap, but look, 5,000 Kenya shillings is the minimum. Oh yeah, you have to choose among these 3 and you're good to go. And I believe most countries have local bitcoins platform in their countries as well. xempire.com, and they've done a local bitcoins website review. And in case you are not Kenyan and you are wondering if you can buy bitcoin in, for example, your African country, yes you can. So I'm gonna leave this in the description box down below. Probably go through it. You'll see African countries. So just from the top here, there's Gambia, there's Ghana, Guinea-Bissau, there's Namibia. I'll leave this down below if you want to learn more. Bitcoins.com has done a review on Paxful, and it seems to just be a very similar website to local bitcoins. As you guys can see, it is fairly younger because local bitcoin started in 2013, but Paxful started in 2015, and they aim to be the Uber of the Bitcoin community. As well, I'm aware that Paxful is available in most African countries. I have gone down and seen that only a few countries do not have Paxful on them, and these are the countries that do not have Paxful. Paxful versus local bitcoins. Paxful main competitor is undoubtedly local bitcoins, but Paxful is younger and it seems to be crushing it when it comes to customer satisfaction. Where is it located? It is located in New York City, USA. There is one in Hong Kong. There is one in Manila, Philippines. I feel like I'll also leave this down below for you to know how Paxful works and for you to decide for yourself as well. Another thing I've liked about Paxful is they have an affiliate program. So basically, I will only earn money if you also buy your Bitcoin. So the person I joined with, if I buy a Bitcoin right now, or rather at this amount of a Bitcoin, they will get some money as well. So I liked this because this is really encouraging for a user trying to make money on the side. As I buy my Bitcoin, the person I joined is making some money, and the people who join under me will also make some money. So guys, definitely join my affiliate link program. I'll link it down below. This will be it. I'll copy this link. So yeah, if you buy a Bitcoin, your girl will at least make a percentage, and that is amazing. Never leave your cryptos in an exchange platform. We will transfer them immediately from the local bitcoins to our desired wallet. Do not by any chance be in a rush while you're doing this, because the errors can literally make your bitcoins disappear. Set up a wallet that you're willing and comfortable to put them in. I'm so excited. We are finally buying our decimal of a Bitcoin, and I have decided to go with Paxful only because I also have never tried it before and I want to try out the affiliate program. And there's a link on my description box on my pinned comment section. Click that link and it looks like this up here. So when you click that link, it's going to bring you here, and what you're going to do is create an account. When you create an account, you'll be able to log in like I have. Also use the email you used for your ProtonMail, put in your password and log into Paxful. So it's going to look something like that once you log in, and you're going to now enter into your Paxful account. So as you guys can see, I've already set up my 2FA on my Paxful account. And we have logged in. You can clearly see I have 0 BTC. If you come to settings and then you go to security, you'll be able to now enable all this 2-factor authentication. So once you've done that, you're going to now come to buy Bitcoin. As well, guys, I have not just decided to use Paxful because of the affiliate program. I've actually just assessed all the 3 platforms to see who is cheaper, and you guys, actually Paxful is a bit cheaper. And however, the negative downside of Paxful is their limit is a bit higher. So for somebody who is trying to purchase bitcoins for a lower amount, I would not. I had planned to purchase cryptocurrency for 1,000 Kenya shillings, and looking at this, the most affordable guy is Pablo, and he's selling it at 1.004 million, and his limit is 1,200. So for me, this was a bit on the higher side. If you also come to local bitcoins, I had come here because I thought I'd purchase from here, and I loved the fact that in local bitcoins, this is my wallet for local bitcoins. As you guys can see, you can actually purchase as low as 200 bob, as well as 500 bob. So if you do not have the ability to purchase a higher amount like Paxful, I would urge you to consider using local bitcoins, because they are like, this guy can take between 1 to 100,000. So literally, I think you can even buy for 100 bob. The only downside is the price is high. So we now head back to my Paxful, and we're gonna buy from Pablo, and I can see he's online, which is good. He has 760 likes, meaning he is recommendable even amongst all of them. So we're gonna click and say buy. So obviously I'm gonna buy within the limit, which is 1,200. I was hoping to buy exactly at 1,000, but it's okay. So you're gonna just come here and say enter amount 1,200. I get 1,134 worth of Bitcoin. The rest is going to be my escrow fees, and this is the Bitcoin I'm going to receive. So I'll just come and click, scroll down and say buy now. So Pablo's chat has come. Please follow all the instructions provided by the vendor. Once you have made your payment, click paid. If you mark as paid, the trade will expire and you will not receive any Bitcoin. If you're no longer interested in this trade, click cancel. So I'm gonna say I understand. So don't click this until you're paid, guys, please, because this website is like an escrow. He'll release his Bitcoins, and then Paxful will hold them. I'll release my money, and then Paxful will hold them. Then they'll interchange so that we both get what we want. Let's go to my M-Pesa right now and start sending him this amount. So I'm going to pay him 1,200, even though I'm going to receive Bitcoin that's like 1,134 bob. So you guys are on my phone. We are going to head over to M-Pesa. I don't know what's happened with my Safaricom app. It has an issue, but anyway, I think I have to like sent. He said his name is Francis. I'm gonna tell him that. So once you've made a payment, make sure you click on I have paid button. So I'm gonna say, oh, okay, I was about to click paid. So success seller has sent your Bitcoins. Guys, look, I now have BTC. Woohoo! This is the amount of Bitcoin I've received. I can add him to my contacts for quick trade in the future. How was my trading experience? I'll say positive. It was very seamless. and we are done. If you come to my wallet on Paxful, you can see that I have purchased this amount of Bitcoin. In today's video, I'll be setting up a mobile-based wallet. So guys, welcome back to my phone, and right now I'm gonna take you to my cryptocurrency folder, and the wallet that we are going to use is Blockstream Green. So I wanted to show you guys Bread, but in terms of security, the platform, I decided to show you guys Blockstream Green. Blockstream Green is not your average wallet. It's a bit on the professional side. I believe it's both on Android and Play Store. However, if it's not, then you can consider either Blue Wallet, Bread Wallet, or Mycelium Wallet. right now you can see I am inside. My account is 0.0 BTC, and I want to transfer my cryptocurrency from Paxful exchange platform to my Blockstream Green mobile wallet. If you have been keeping up with my videos, then you know all about wallets, you know about exchange platforms. I mean, you're well aware of what I'm about to do. So I'm going to say receive. Here is my public address. So if you've watched my video on cold wallets, then I've showed you guys what a public address is. It's like the address that you can leave anywhere for people to send you your cryptocurrency. So I can just copy it there. I'll just copy this address without the 2 dashes at the end, because I am aware that the 2 dashes are how Gmail finishes its emails. So I'll just copy that, and then I'll come to Paxful. These are the cryptocurrencies I've just bought, and I'll say send Bitcoin because I want to remove it from here, send from my Paxful wallet, and then receive it on my Blockstream Green mobile wallet. And I'm going to hopefully put all of it if it allows, because I don't want to leave anything here. So yeah, we're gonna just let's see. I doubt it's gonna agree, but yeah. So I'm gonna now put this and click continue. Sending Bitcoin amount, Bitcoin network. Guys, these guys are charging me 190 Kenya shillings. Oh my gosh, so they already charged me 66 shillings to buy this cryptocurrency, and now they're taking away 190 Kenya shillings. What? That's a lot. That's a really high transaction fee. I'm debating. I want to confirm if local Bitcoins is cheaper. That felt so high. That really felt so high. So now it's accepted. This is the address I'm sending it to. All your Bitcoin transactions are final. Please double check. Yes, I've double checked. And enter your 2FA code. But guys, 200. These guys are thieves. That's so much money. What? Congratulations. It has been successfully sent. So they have my 0.0001 BTC, and yeah. So why I was saying, guys, don't make a mistake. Even when you're copy pasting your address, you could easily copy paste a wrong address and lose that money. So kindly confirm over and over again, check what you've done, just to ensure that your money does not disappear, because it's not traceable.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So guys, we're gonna head on to my wallet. We go to my cryptocurrency folder, we go to Blockstream Green, and as I log in, we are going to, guys, I have received my Bitcoins. It is still being confirmed on the Bitcoin network. This will take some time. That's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you're going to be buying a Bitcoin. Have you followed through? Have you enjoyed this video? Let me know, guys. And if you want this series to continue, I am down to continue. We can try out other wallets. I can even show you how to set up this wallet. However, it's not hard. I'm going to link a video down below on how you can set up this wallet, the Blockstream Green. It's not so hard. Just go download it, follow all the rules that I've been saying in my videos, guys. Put in a strong username, a strong password, a strong email. Write down your 24 keyword phrases somewhere, your recovery key. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you feel good for owning your first decimal point of a Bitcoin. This is a hot wallet. You really don't plan to put a lot of money. I hope you have enjoyed this series. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for staying by through this series. I hope you've enjoyed, I hope you've learned, and more so, I want to remind you to always start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. So there are videos on the screen right now. I would urge you to check them out. I believe they have some nice, valuable information that would come through for you. So yeah, guys, bye. See you on the next one. So a few minutes later, I am logging into my Bitcoin wallet, Blockstream Green, and as you guys can see, it is now confirmed, as it's saying that I've actually received the amount, and here it is, $9.21. Thank you guys for watching this video, and yeah,